Welcome back to Mechanical Engineering. We are going to do another tutorial in Solidworks software, and I want to begin with a question. Whenever you are doing design, where do you normally apply fillet command? Do you do it during the sketch, or you do it after you have done extrusion as an added feature? Let me hear your comment in the comment section, and I'll answer at the end of the video. Let's get started. Our sketch, we'll do it on top plane, just sketch, and then pick center rectangle like this. Then we smart dimension. Height will give 110, and the base will be 105. Now proceed to extrude, reverse direction, give a depth of 69 like this, and then okay. Now I proceed on this face and then sketch. We'll use a corner rectangle like this, and then smart dimension. This height is 45. This distance is 60 mm. Then we'll apply relations. So I'll begin with midpoint on this line, which is here. Just click and hold on shift, and then identify midpoint of this line, which is here, and make them horizontal. Sketch is fully defined. Now we go to extruded cut and select through hole like this. Now we are going to make another sketch on this face using corner rectangle from here like this. Now at the end, we'll apply an arc. Center point is here. Begin from here like this, then smart dimension. This distance, and then outer diameter is 38 millimeters. This means the radius will be half of 38, which is 19, like this. Now we'll sketch another circle from the center with a diameter of 24 millimeters. We are done. Now I want us to convert this line to construction like this, and proceed to extrude. Direction, we reverse. Now we change extrusion to blind, the distance of 10 mm, and on contours we select this one and this one, and then okay. Rotate and sketch this face. Now select the internal circle and go to convert entities, and we'll sketch another circle from center like this. Now click on this circle, hold on shift, click on this line, tangent relations. So it's fully defined. Go to features, extrude. Distance of 35, say okay. Next sketch will be on this face. Pick corner rectangle from this corner upwards. This time we'll use a different approach. We'll sketch a circle here, this point, and then a small circle inside like this. Smart dimension. This height will be 45, and outer diameter is 35, while inner circle is 24, like that. Now we'll select this line and convert to construction geometry like this. When we are done, select isometric view, go to features, then extrude. Now we'll select this contour, this one and this one, and on direction we reverse distance is 10 mm, which is okay, and then click OK. And then we'll have to provide another extrude here, but since we have made a full sketch previously, which is this one, we'll just click and then go to extrude, and on contours, you see we have this circle. Look at this contour and also this one, see, and on distance we'll give 35 millimeters. Click OK. See what we got. Now the last sketch we'll do on top face. Just click on this face and sketch corner rectangle like this, big circle, any point like this. Now we'll just give relations. Just click on this circle, hold on shift, click this one, make them equal, click the center point, hold on shift, click center, horizontal relations like that. Then we smart dimension. From this edge to center is 15 millimeters. From this edge to center is 15 millimeters as well. From this edge to center, 15 millimeters. And we'll dimension one of them, diameter of 15 millimeters. See, becomes simple. From this line to this edge, 10, and from this edge, this line, 10 millimeters. Now this distance is 70 mm, and the width is 35 millimeters. And this was our last sketch. Just go to features, extruded cut, and select through all. Okay, see, simple. Our final feature is to apply fillet. So go to fillet, and I'll tell you why it was the last option. Radius of 11 millimeters, and on items to fillet, select this edge, this one, like that, then okay. The next fillet, radius of 6 mm, then items to fillet, this edge, like that, and we are done. Now I don't know what was your answer as to where we need to apply fillet. Is it on the sketch or as the last option? Now for me, I'll choose fillet as the last option. The reason being, when I want to edit the fillet on these sketches, I'll just come to fillet and do my own edit. When I change to 15, it will just be direct, one click edit. But now when you do it inside that sketch, you'll have a rough time trying to meet constraints. Maybe your sketch will not be fully defined, then you'll have to do a lot of editing for you to satisfy the constraints. That was all. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you'll get an update whenever I upload a new video.